What I'm going to end up doing today is I got this great big hole right here. And if you can see it, this thing here is one of the main reasons why I got a good deal on it. Because the whole time I was looking at it, I was just complaining about that hole. And I wasn't going to leave with this for that price. So anyway, the stuff that I bought is Home Depot. And all I needed to fix this door, got a piece of metal. This was like $6, piece of flashing steel. I'm gonna paint it, put a hinge on it. Here's the hinge, and some nuts and bolts, and let's see how this thing works out. Alright, so I took this piece of metal, and I mean it's sharp. So take a piece of this metal, and it was already creased right here. So I went ahead and I just completed the crease and made it thicker, a little bit more stable. Then there's another one right here. This is just for duct work. It's in the heating section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep crimping it here. Doop, 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 doop. So it's flat again. This is the exact piece I need for like a little over $6. Just a regular sheet of metal that they wanted there. It was like $22 for just a piece of metal that was black, and I could buy it. And I'd still probably have to cut it. I don't even think it was big enough. So that's a piece right here. So I'm gonna start doing this now. All I did was I riveted it in instead of actually using nuts and bolts. It seemed to work out a lot better, and it was more tighter, and besides that, the nuts and bolts, they just took too much room and it didn't want to shut real good. This one doesn't look too bad, and it doesn't really look out of place considering there's all kinds of doors all over. And I went ahead and I masked it, and when I put the masking tape on, I just want it to actually blend into here. I just don't want it to go forward. So from here back, it'll be all the same color. Just use a regular shiny black, and then hopefully it'll just blend and kind of camouflage itself with the rest of it. So let's see how this works.